Powtoon is a presentation tool designed for both business and school use, based on the idea to take otherwise standard presentation slides and make it more fun and exciting using video animations. Powtoon takes presentation slides from the likes of PowerPoint and allows you to animate it all so that it presents like a video. First, go to www.powtoon.com and sign in for free. Once in Powtoon, you can make a start a blank project, or you can use one of the templates they offer. Some of these templates are for pro accounts only, but many are free. After you make your decision, the editor will load. On the left, you can see what looks like a slide outline, like the one you see when you use PowerPoint. However, instead of slides, these represent each scene in your video. Each scene can be up to 20 seconds long. On the right, there are some suggestions Powtoon makes for you to get ideas. If you want to add some seconds, you can use the plus button at the end of the timeline. Now, you start writing the information you want and doing the necessary adjustments. You can clean on text and on the setting icon to change color, font, size, etc. To add a new scene, click on the plus slide button. If you want to change the background, just choose or upload the one you want. You can also add a transition between scenes. Powtoon offers several interesting transitions. On the right side, there is a menu where you can choose text, characters, objects, which are called props, sounds, and some other things to design your scenes. Many of them are free. When you add a character, you can choose his or her actions like talking, thinking, walking, etc. For example, you can add a character, add a word balloon and some text to show what your character is saying or thinking. Remember that you can make the necessary adjustments to each element you add to your scene. There are many creative things you can do with the adjustments. Since this is a basic tutorial, we recommend that you explore on your own the different alternatives Powtoon offers. To preview how your animation is going, click on the play button. After you finish designing all the scenes you have in mind, it is time to share it. To share your video, click on Export. When you do this, you will have to add some general information about your project. Powtoon does not allow you to download the video directly to your computer, but you can do it if you export the video to YouTube. Remember that to export your video to YouTube, you need to have a YouTube account. This is not an immediate action, so you will have to wait until Powtoon sends you an email letting you know that your video was already shared in YouTube. Once you have the video in YouTube, you can download it to your computer.